In today's video, we're diving into the way that you can create a group inside of Messenger. Creating a group chat on Messenger is a simple process which can be easily done through the app of Messenger or through the website as well. All you need to do is open up the app of Messenger and then tap on this pencil icon that you see on the top right of the screen. Once you tap on this icon, you're going to see a lot of people on the bottom, but in order for you to create a group, you can tap on the group chat option right here. This way you'll be able to select the people that you want to add into this particular group. And then you can tap on the create option that you see on the top right. If you want, you can also name this group whatever you like, and then tap on the create option on the top right. Once the group now has been created, everyone's inside of the group will be now notified, and any messages that you send in this group will be delivered to every person. If you want, you can also add in more people by tapping on the add option right here or tapping on this eye icon on the top, and then from here as well you can add in more people. So that's all there is in creating a group inside of Messenger. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this.